The simplest connection knot I know is the triple surgeon knot. Man, this one is easy. I use it all the time, but the important thing is you really can only use it when you're using similar diameter lines. That's when you're just needing to add a little extra piece of 12-pound to your already 12-pound leader. And that knot is easy. All you're gonna do is take your piece of tippet that you're adding to your leader. You're gonna overlie the two lines parallel like this, and then you're going to make a loop with the two lines. And then you're gonna take those two, we're gonna call this your tag end, and we're gonna go through our loop. 1, 2, 3 times. And that is your knot. Again, whenever you're tying a knot, it's really important to get it wet and then seat it. Otherwise, often you'll burn your line and therefore not get a good strong knot. Cut off as much of that tag end as you can so that you do not snag floating grass or weeds or anything else that could potentially hinder your fishing. So that's the triple surgeon. Super easy. This is Meredith McCord for Just One More Cast. Go get 'em.